we're still learning like many other places. We're very fortunate to have a chief data officer. She came on board last year. She's been on board for just under a year. And that's a legislative position in addition to a data task force. So we're very fortunate that as AI has picked up, we have a framework, the chief data officer and the data task force, to really build a common understanding about data strategy. Where does AI fit in? And AI intersects very closely with cybersecurity. So we're realizing that cybersecurity and AI in the context of data sharing have to work really hand in hand together. So that we're starting to just have those conversations.
Right. In terms of data and AI, are there any use cases that you are excited about? Not necessarily that you're working on, but things that you hope that might help the state in some way?
Sure. There's some that are low-hanging fruit. For example, even within the Office of Enterprise Technology Service, if we had AI to that sort of queries the database of our client management system, when a call comes in and we need to get up to speed on the client as fast as possible, can AI kind of show us the 411 on what the client's needs are? So that's an example. Another example is, the priorities of our governor, who is an ED doc, is how do we have a integrated strategy to approach healthcare, housing, and homelessness. So that requires data from multiple places that are traditionally separately managed. How can we build a system that integrates that data together or enables data sharing so that you're able to address the whole citizen and not just parts of the citizen? So those are the longer term use cases that we get really excited about. How can we leverage data for that? AI for that, and data sharing, just to enable that higher level of response possible.